you right now. I need you to come back to Atlanta right now.
Calm down, sweetheart. Tell me what's happening.
Tell me to fucking calm down. You didn't just see what I saw.
What's the matter with this fucking thing, Ferris?
Stop yelling. It doesn't help anything.
Anyhow, Orm's coming. He's coming. We're gonna wait.
Get me the fuck out.
We're gonna wait.
Ferris,
We have
please,
to.
hold on.
I can't do that. I have to keep the infection low. God, please hurry. There's something on board, please.
Stay the fuck away.
Hold on!